Hello class, I'm your teacher Neeraj. Today we'll begin the rest half of this chapter. First half we have done in the first video. If you have not seen, I have put the link in description. You can see from there. So this story is about a snake charmer named Aryanath, how he learned the various skills of handling the snakes and makes snake dance on his tune. So he learned it from his father, and his father learned from his grandfather. His grandfather name is Roshan Nathji. So it's everybody in the snake charmers family is learning from their forefathers. So it's a skill they are learning, not general in this world. Not everyone know this. Only some know. They also know how to control a snake. They can catch the snakes. They see the snake bite, and they'll get to know which snake has bite. So now, why every one of us have danger of snakes? We think that snakes are dangerous for us, but still, why we are saving the snakes? हम स्नेक्स को सेफ क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्या ज़रूरत है इनको? अगर ये डेंजरस है हमारे लिए तो इनको मार देना चाहिए. क्या इनकी हमें ज़रूरत है? Does we need that? Does we need these snakes? The answer is yes. In your picture you can see the snake is eating. Which animal is this? The snake is eating the mouse. Okay, rat. So in this picture also you can see the snake is eating a rat, and in this picture also. So now the snake is eating the rat. It's a dangerous thing for rats, but it's beneficial for us. How? अब स्नेक को तो खा गया, स्नेक तो बेचारा मर गया, हाँ, तो स्नेक्स के लिए तो डेंजर हो गया ना, लेकिन हमारे लिए फ़ायदा है. सो हाउ इट्स बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस? इट्स बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस बिकॉज व्हेन अ रैट गो टू द फील्ड ऑफ अ फार्मर, दैट टाइम दिस रैट ईट द सीड्स एंड डैमेज द क्रॉप ऑफ द फार्मर. जब ये स्नेक जाएगा फील्ड में तो ये खा जाएगा सीड्स, जो बीज होते हैं जो किसान बोता है जिससे कि फसल आती है, और उसकी फसल को नुकसान भी करता है. सो द स्नेक गो इन द फील्ड एंड ईट द रैट, बट व्हेन अ फार्मर सी द स्नेक्स दे स्टार्ट रनिंग, they start fearing, and they go in the village and tell everyone that there is a snake, and if there is a snake charmer that come and control this snake and take and go with him. Otherwise people beat this snake and it will die. So the snake come to eating, but also he is helping the farmer, so his crop will be safe. But farmer doesn't know this and he kills the snake, but actually the snake is the friend of the farmer. There is one worm जिसे हम केचुआ भी बोलते हैं, that's also friend of farmer, that we say केचुआ. What he do? He dig the soil, मिट्टी को खोदता है again and again, and after he'll make the sand, or you can say soil, fertile. Now how he make the fertile? When he dig the soil, that time more oxygen can go in that soil, and it will help the crop to grow more. And if crop will grow, the farmer will get the benefit. So Quechua and the snake, they both are the friends of this farmer. What we say in Quechua in English, I'll let you know. I am not getting the word exactly now, so you can also comment and tell me. So these saperas, the Aryanath is a sapera. Okay, sapera means snake charmer. He teach the snake to dance on his tune. Or if any other snake, he also can control through his tune. So there you can see the snake charmer is removing the fangs, these hollow teeth of the snake, which is dangerous, which he insert in our body or in his prey's body, whom he it's want to harm or kill. Okay, so the snake charmer is removing these teeth. You can see it's very painful for the snake. Okay, so when the snake charmer is removing, after he can easily handle this. In your picture, this you can see this is a cobra snake, and this is a very poisonous snake. If it bite you, within some minutes you can die. Okay, you will die. Nobody can save you. So this snake is so much dangerous, but still people are standing there and being entertained by this snake charmer, and it's not saying to anybody anything because its fangs, the deadly teeth, are removed by this snake charmer. And this basket you can see, this we say the snake basket. Okay, this is made from bamboo. Okay, if a snake, in this basket you can see also a snake, but it's not airproof. The air will go from the holes, little holes, and snake can breathe. Okay, so snake will not die. Now why the snake charmer is removing the teeth, you all of you know. क्यों snake charmer इसके teeth निकाल रहा है, आप सभी को पता चल गया है. लेकिन जो हमने बोला कि आर्यनाथ इसके स्नेक निकाल रहा है, लेकिन सभी स्नेक, ये स्नेक चार्मर अच्छा है, ही इज अ गुड स्नेक चार्मर आर्यनाथ. ओके, ही डोंट हार्म द स्नेक्स, बट मैनी स्नेक चार्मर्स आर नॉट दैट मच गुड. व्हाट दे डू, all of you listen that snakes drink the milk. जब मंदिर में जाते हैं या कहीं पर जाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा कि स्नेक को दूध पिला रहे हैं और आप खुश हो जाते हैं. आप सोचते हैं कि भगवान, स्नेक भगवान है और स्नेक दूध पी रहा है. लेकिन एक्चुअली नॉट आर्यनाथ बट अदर स्नेक चार्मर्स, व्हाट दे डू, दे डोंट गिव फूड टू द स्नेक फॉर मैनी डेज एंड ऑल्सो नॉट गिव द वाटर ऑल्सो. ना उसको पानी देंगे ना उसको खाना देंगे. तो जब काफ़ी दिनों तक ये स्नेक भूखा रहेगा, इट नॉट गेट एनी थिंग, वट ही विल डू, what the snake will do, it will after 10 days, when the snake charmer in front of the public on a festival, Shivratri or any other festival, offer milk to this snake, the snake will drink because the snake is thirsty also and hungry also. अगर आप सोचो, अगर आपको मैं कुछ खाना ना दूं, हाँ करें आपके साथ, अगर आपको खाना ना दें 5 दिन तक और ना पानी दें, उसके बाद अगर आपको कुछ ना दिया जाए, खाली अगर आपको चावल मिल जाए, कच्चे चावल, है ना, अनकुक्ड राइस, सो यू विल ईट दैट ऑल्सो एंड यू विल फील दैट आई हैव ईटन द फूड. सो दिस लाइक हैपेंस विद द स्नेक. आपने जानवरों को देखा होगा, कुत्ते को कुत्ता साफ पानी पीता है, लेकिन कुत्ते को अगर साफ पानी ना मिले तो क्या करता है, वो जो नाली का गंदा पानी होता है उसको पीता है ना. अ डॉग ड्रिंक्स क्लीन वाटर, बट इफ इट्स नॉट गेटिंग वाटर फॉर 1 day 2 day और हाफ डे, इट्स ड्रिंकिंग द वाटर ऑफ द ड्रेन. ओके, दैट्स नॉट गुड. द डॉग्स ऑल्सो नो, बट इट हैव टू ड्रिंक. Like a cow, you have seen, cow eats only food, grass, but when it don't get the food, it also eats plastic. If any food in plastic and it not getting, it don't have control, so it's eat plastic also, and that is dangerous for these animals. Drain water is dangerous for the dog. Okay, and milk is deadly for this snake. If this snake drink the milk, it may die also. Okay, so this is dangerous, or many snake charmers do like this to earn money, because people after offer money to the snake, and the money goes to the snake charmer, and snake charmer get the benefit. But Aryanath is a good snake charmer, he do it for the good of people. So it's good. So now you can see a TV there. Nowadays people are busy in watching TV. You also busy in watching the TV in WhatsApp or in YouTube. If you are doing educational, it's good. If you are surfing for educational, watching educational videos, it's good. But if full day you are seeing cartoon, that is not good. Just you for 1 hour maximum or 2 hours. So, but earlier people, when any snake charmer comes in the village or city, people comes to see the dance of snake, to entertain. Okay, but now if the snake charmer comes, nobody go to see that. Now if a snake bite you, this is a snake basket, I told you, and the snake eating the rat. Now tell me, snake is the friend of whom? The farmer. Why the snake charmer teach the skills to the snake? Because he wants to entertain the people and also want to earn some money. Okay. Now when I grow older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth. Poisonous teeth, we also say fangs. He also taught me how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. In snake's mouth there is a tube from which the poison comes. So snake charmer close that also, and after he can handle the snake in his hand. So the first question you have to answer: have you ever seen anyone playing a bean? Where? You have seen a snake charmer playing the bean at your neighbor or in any amusement park or anywhere else. Have you ever seen a snake? Where? Okay, you can answer yourself. Write your answer yourself. For me, I have seen a snake in a park. Where? You scared by it. Were you scared by it? Why? So you have to answer this question. For me, it's yes, I have scared because first time I have seen the snake. Do you think all snakes are poisonous? So the answer to this question you'll get to know in the last of this chapter. Okay, we'll come to this question. In chapter, you read that snake do not have ears which you can see. Can the snake hear the bean, or does it dance when the bean moves? What do you think? The answer is the snake don't have ears. As I told you earlier also in the chapter super senses, it feel the vibration of the surface on land, okay, or on table. So when the snake charmer beat the tune, that time this snake see the bean also, and it get the vibration also. So both helps the snake to dance. Okay, the snake is actually not dancing, it's just moving. Okay, it's finding the escape. But the trained snake, those snakes are trained for this only. When they do this, like when they move like that, okay, after this snake charmer in the evening gives food. So snake charmers are pet by this snake charmer. Okay, snakes are charmed by snake charmer. Like अगर आप काम करते हैं तो आपके पेरेंट्स आपको खाना देते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपके पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे आप काम नहीं करोगे तो हम खाना नहीं देंगे, तो क्या करोगे? आप भी काम करना स्टार्ट कर देते हो. सो स्नेक चार्मर भी इसके साथ ऐसा ही करता है. सो आर्यनाथ इज सेइंग that he learned to play bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. Note the government has made law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skins at high prices. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? We help we people have never killed snakes and sold their skins. People say that we keep the snakes in bad condition. As I told, this snake charmer Arinath is not bad. He is not killing the snakes for its skin. Okay, he is teaching a skill only and not harming the snakes, and it's give good food to the snake, not other snake charmers who don't give the food to snakes for many days and after gives milk, which is dangerous for the snake. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Snakes are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. We even gift snakes to our daughters when they get married. In our Kalabeliya dance, we also have moments similar to dance of the snake. So this is a bean party. Okay, snake charmers beating their beans. Their instrument is called as bean. This is the Kalabeliya dance. This is the snake charmers dance. Okay, this is done by Kalabeliya community. And in this dance, the specialty of this dance, they perform the moves of the snake. Their moves are inspired from the snake. जो भी डांस कर रहे हैं, इनके मूवमेंट्स जो हैं वो स्नेक की मूवमेंट से इंस्पायर हैं. अब थोड़ा देख सकते हैं इसके बारे में, यूट्यूब पे और वीडियोस देख सकते हैं आप इस डांस की, कालबेलिया डांस की. सो अदर पीपल और हंटर्स kill animals and snakes also for their skin. In first chapter I told you that elephants are killed for their tusks, rhinos for their horn, tiger is killed for their skins. Okay, musk deer is killed for its musk. So this reptile, snake, killed for its skin. So our snake charmers have to understand this. So governments may support them. These community, snake Kalabeliya, they think that snake is their friend, and they also gift a snake to their daughter when they are married. Like people give dowry. Giving dowry is a bad thing. Okay, it's unlawful. But if they are happy to gift, the girl's family is happy, then they can gift. Okay, but not costly things. So what they gift, their families gift a snake. Okay, so nowadays people are busy in their homes. They don't want to come out, they don't want to come see these dances. So snake charmers less be seen in any village or anywhere else. They started the new profession, that is bean party, because nobody interested in seeing the dance of the snakes, so they left that. Now musical instruments used in bean party: bean, tumba, khanjri and dhol. Except dhol, all other three instruments are made from dried gourd. Now, as I told earlier, all the snakes are deadly or not. There is a snake. This snake name is cobra. There is the picture given in your book, and this is the real life picture of this snake. Now this is a fly. This is the cartoon picture given, okay, hand drawn, and this is the real picture of the snake, a fly. This is Duboya, and the real picture of Duboya is this. It's very long. And there is the last snake, Karet. Now this snake is blue in color. It also in black, but its specialty, it have these like lines. Okay, black blue, this kind of pattern. This snake have this like pattern. This snake has circles, and it have this like face. Okay, so every snake have speciality. so you can identify these snakes also. So in India, of the many kinds of snakes found in the country, only 4 types of snakes are poisonous. They are cobra, this is cobra, common karat, this karat you can see, Russell viper, okay, or duboya. This is Russell viper. Duboya is a very dangerous snake. It found in the world also. In many countries considered the most dangerous snake. And the so-scaled viper, Afai. Okay, this is the Afai. A snake has 2 hollow teeth, fangs, as I told you. When it bites, the poison enters the body of the snake body through the fangs, where there is a medicine for the snake bites. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in the all government hospitals. So in the next video, I will tell you the question answer, and I will also tell you if a snake bite you, what you have to do. Okay, so in next video I will tell, we'll discuss. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I will tell the answers of this question also. So for us, we have to save these snakes, and our advice to Aryanath is don't forget these skills and pass this skill to your children. Your children will teach the skill to their children, and tell the stories to people that how you are teaching the snake, how you train the snake. Teach these skills to others also, and teach people. Go in city, go villages, and tell all the people that snakes are the friend. They eat the rats to help the farmer. They are helping indirectly to the farmer. My advice to Aryanath to make a bean party like this and entertain the people. Go village to village, earn money, but don't harm the snakes, and complain about those people who offering the milk to the snake. The milk is like poison for the snake. So, and I request government also to make strict laws against those, like Hyderabad, in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, government had made a rule: if anybody kill the snake, they'll charge 10,000 rupees fine, and also imprisonment, means jail for the people. So we have to be aware, and we have to start thinking and saving our snakes. I'm Miraj, signing off. Bye.